The cost to repair a leather sofa varies widely based on several key factors. The specific type of damage is the biggest determinant of the final price. Minor surface scratches and light scuffs are the least expensive problems to address. You can often handle these yourself with a DIY leather repair kit, which typically costs between $20 and $50. These kits contain fillers and colorants for simple touch-ups. If you prefer a professional result, hiring a technician for minor cosmetic work might cost between $100 and $250. For more significant damage like small tears, punctures, or holes, the cost increases. This type of repair requires patching, color matching, and grain blending to look seamless. A professional patch job for a small hole can range from $150 to $400, depending heavily on its size and visibility. Burn marks are among the most difficult and costly issues to fix. A burn often requires the complete replacement of an entire leather panel. This involves deconstruction, sewing, and reassembly, pushing the cost to between $250 and $600 or more. Widespread surface issues also lead to high repair bills. Fading from sun exposure or general discoloration requires re-dyeing the leather. The cost to re-dye a single cushion might be $200 to $400, while refinishing an entire sofa could cost from $800 to well over $1,500. Severe cracking or peeling, often seen in older or bonded leather, demands extensive restoration. This is a labor-intensive process of stripping, filling, and refinishing the surface, with costs ranging from $400 to $1,000. Structural problems add another layer of expense. A broken internal wood frame repair can cost from $200 to $500. If your sofa sags, you likely need new springs or webbing, which costs about $150 to $400 per section. Replacing the filling in flattened cushions with new foam or down typically runs from $100 to $300 per cushion. The type of leather is also a factor. Premium leathers require more skilled labor. Ultimately, you must decide if the repair cost is worth it compared to the sofa's value. Always get multiple quotes from reputable leather specialists by sending them clear photos of the damage. Labor rates for these experts generally fall between $75 and $150 per hour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more home care tips.